Good morning, viewers. Welcome to Konasima Shorthand classes. Get ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. As a general rule, profit is regarded as being the additional wealth that is created by the operation of a successful business enterprise. The whole purpose of risking capital in a business venture is to make a profit. To decide whether or not a particular business is successful, it is necessary to investigate what rate of profit is being earned by capital which is being employed. A shopkeeper, for example, may be reasonably satisfied to make an income of 1.5 lakh rupees per year from his business and consider that he is being quite successful if it is discovered that taking into consideration the total saleable value of his buildings, equipment, stock and materials, subtracting the claims of his creditors, he is employing a capital to a total value of 50 lakhs. It is obvious that his total profit represents a 10% return on the capital employed. Furthermore, if a deduction is made from this profit of the value of a salary for his work as manager of the shop at the rate of perhaps 1 lakh a year, the return on his capital, taking no account of tax, is reduced to 50,000 rupees, that is to say, a return of approximately 3%. From a purely economic and rational point of view, it is very doubtful whether this is an efficient way of making use either of the shopkeeper's labor or of the capital that is represented by his business. There is an increasing appreciation today that this state of affairs exists and few people are willing to enter the distribution field as sole proprietors of a business. Public companies are very conscious of the rate of return that is achieved on their capital. This matter has also to be borne in mind whenever firms are considering whether or not to borrow money in order to expand. If a company is convinced that it is in a position to earn profits representing a return of 10% on capital employed, and it is believed that it can sell to a wider market, it is worthwhile to borrow money for this purpose. Dear sirs, we are glad to receive your letter of the 12th instant and note the contents thereof. We are happy to note that you will be sending your check in respect of items supplied to you in our last consignment within a week's time. We are expecting your check. As for your inquiry whether we will be in a position to supply the spare parts as per your drawings sent with your letter, we wish to inform you that it will be quite possible to supply all of them within the time specified by you. We also agree to supply you at the prices indicated by you. We await your firm orders at an early date so that we can start the manufacture of these items. As regards your willingness to supply us the raw materials required, we shall be interested in availing of your offer. However, we find that the prices quoted by you appear to be somewhat excessive. At present, we are able to get these items required by us at half the prices quoted by you. We are at a loss to know why your prices are so much higher. In any case, we are deputing our representatives to inspect the materials at your place. After they inspect them and when we get their report, we shall revert in regard to this matter. In any case, we would very much like you in the meantime to examine our suggestion for the reduction of your rates. Our representatives would be visiting you early next week after intimating you in advance. Thanking you in the meanwhile, yours faithfully,